Hi, I'm Christopher, the lead Atlas developer. Today we're going to take a look at how to get Atlas running on your computer from source code to website in just a few minutes. Alright, let's get started. So we need to install a few dependencies, Node.js and .NET version 6. Then we'll go to GitHub and copy the project clone URL and head into Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code we can start a new project. We can click Clone Repository, paste in the URL you copied, and we'll create a new folder in here. Visual Studio Code will copy all the files down. Once they're down, it'll ask you to open them. We'll click Open, where you can see the project files. We'll open the app settings development JSON file, and we'll change the connection string to use localDB. That will create a database on your computer for testing. Next, we'll run in the terminal in Visual Studio Code, we'll run npm install, which will install the project dependencies, the tools we need for building the JavaScript, CSS. We'll also install a .NET tool for updating the database. After a few minutes, everything will have installed. Next, we can run the npm database update command, which will create all the database tables and load in the necessary metadata fields. It may take a few minutes for all the tables to be created. Once it's finished, then we can run npm start, which will turn the website on. It will build the static files, the JavaScript, CSS. You'll see the website open in localhost with a port up there. You may have to wait another couple of seconds for .NET to finish building, but refresh, you'll see a guest user created as an admin. The user is guest until the ETLs run. After we run the ETLs, then we'll have user information populated like your name. Now, if you're wondering how to do debugging in Visual Studio Code, now that the website is running, we can press F5 in Visual Studio Code and add breakpoints. And just like you may have been used to in Visual Studio, we can do debugging. That's how we get Atlas running on our computer from code to website very quickly. The next step would be to run the ETLs, supplementary ETLs, and then the main metadata ETL to load everything into the database.